Hey y'all, it's Andrea. I've got a new box sent to me for review and I gotta love it. It's a snack box. It's called Snack Hero. This is a monthly snack box. I'll link down below where you can sign up if you want to, and I will have a promo code. It's a snack box and they do all kinds of sizes from 30 up to 90. Tons of different variations you can choose. Let's see. They sent me a little info letter. Let's review it. They are woman-owned, women-led, and EMT-owned. They're always snacking for a cause. A portion of all proceeds are donated to charities in our local community, which is Dothan, Alabama. We believe that they also do it throughout the United States. They believe helping others to reach their goals helps us reach ours. They offer various fundraising opportunities to all groups. Let's see, we offer standard, which is 30 snacks, medium, which is 60, and mega, which is 90. It starts at $28.99 on Cratejoy. Yeah, you can customize it. You can choose between classic, cheesy, spicy, gluten-free, healthy, and various other combo options. Oh, the snack abilities. Let's see, they're offering a special promo code for my viewers. You'll get 5% off your order with the promo code Snickers. I'll link that info down below. They've got me like a big sticker here that says Snack Hero. Snacks to the rescue. Another sticker. Thank you for your purchase. A little card. That's so nice. Thanks a milli. It's a business card. Andrea, thank you so much. We hope you enjoy the snacks we chose for you. Happy snacking, Snack Hero team. I don't know what size this is. I'm guessing it's the 31, but we'll look and see. Oh, my kids are going to be happy. I see lots of chips. First thing I'm pulling out is Sweet Chaos Handmade Kettle Corn by Cold Stone Creamery, cake batter flavor. That's awesome. That is so cool. Handmade kettle corn, cake batter flavor. We got some classic Lay's, a nice size bag there. Gotta love classic Lay's. Skinny Pop popcorn. Ooh, my kids love these. And this is Zesty Ranch flavor. Veggie straws. Traditional Chex Mix. I love these. Chili cheese Fritos. It makes me want a bowl of chili with Fritos in it and shredded cheese. Now I can make them. So I got the chili and cheese, now I got the Fritos. Munchies, what is this called? Cheese Fix snack. I think this is a classic box. Original Cheez-Its. Cheez-Its Snapped. I haven't tried these and I've been wanting to. I'm gonna claim that one for my own. Flaming Hot Cheetos. Some Takis. Taki Roomba. Burritos. Uh-oh. We got some real peanut butter with cheese crackers. They got a little smushed. Not all of them, though. Looks like just that top one. Looks like just this one. little crumbly. I've not tried this snack before. Pop-Tarts Crisps. I love that I'm getting snacks in here that I've been wanting to try. Cranberry Health Mix. It's got nuts and cranberries and raisins in it. I've had those before, they're good. My kids will be thrilled with this. We got 2 Airheads, a mystery and a grape. We got a fruit roll-up. This is a really good box. Another cheese peanut butter crackers pack. This one's not. Oh no, this is not peanut butter. This is cheese crackers. There's cheese in the middle of those. That's different. We never get those in snack boxes. I'm glad to see it. Y'all, this is one of my favorite candies, if you call it candy. Peanut M&Ms is probably my favorite chocolate treat. Definitely top 3, if not the number 1. Mine. Uh-oh. Dropping stuff. My desk runneth over. We've got regular Cheetos. Ooh, we got a big old Rice Krispie treat. I'm impressed with these snacks, y'all. This isn't the cheapy off-brand stuff. This is good stuff. Sour Punch straws, rainbow. Kids love that. A big old cinnamon roll. This is heavy too. This is a big old honking cinnamon roll. Nuke this in the microwave for a little bit. My stack is growing bigger and bigger. Let's say that. I remember this now. I'll show y'all in a minute. I forgot all about that part. Apple Jacks cereal. Chips Ahoy mini cookies. Dark chocolate Milano cookies. Salted peanuts. Sweet and salty mix by Cars. Trail mix. Biscotti. Almond chocolate. A biscotti. Am I saying that right? Yeah. These are like crispy cookie biscuits type thing that you dip in your coffee if you like. Crunch, crunch. I've never gotten one of those in a snack box before. The last thing, and I remember now, they always include a prize for your kid. And my kids are going to be stoked. Stella. Especially glove bubble. Wave and play. This is awesome. They put this glove on their hand and then they dip it in the bubble thing. And the bubbles go everywhere. This is perfect for springtime. The weather just got nice. Remove bubble pouch from glove. Pour the bubble solution into the bubble pouch. Dip the glove in the bubble pouch. Wave and play. How fun is that, you guys? I loved this snack box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. This is the 30 pack. So it's $28.99 before shipping, and I'll have that code down below. The Snickers for 5% off your order if you guys want to try it out. I'm super impressed. I'm super pumped to have gotten this for review. Thank y'all so much. I think everything in here is going to get eaten by either me or the chillins. I've already got my secret stash over here that got to put in Mama's hidey spot. Give me a thumbs up if y'all like the video and subscribe if you like to watch them. See you at the next one.